Hey everyone! Our planet is just so cool, right? It's filled with amazing animals everywhere, from way down deep in the ocean to the tippy top of mountains. Today, we're going to go on a little adventure to see how these awesome creatures live and how you can be a hero for our planet. You ready? Let's do this!
Okay, first things first, I've got to ask, what is your absolute favorite animal? Go on, think about it. Is it a super cool snow leopard, a really smart octopus, or maybe a teeny tiny zippy hummingbird? Whatever animal you're picturing, just know that every single one has a special place in the world that is its perfect home.
So let's dive right into our first stop, our amazing animal world. We're going to check out where all these animals belong and, what makes their homes just right for them.
Whoa, look at this guy. This is a Spanish ibex, and he is a total mountain climbing pro. See, his home is way up on these rocky cliffs in Spain. It's the perfect spot for him. He's got all the food, water, and places to hide he could ever need. He's made for this place, just like a fish is made for swimming in the water.
So animals like the ibex, who live right where they're supposed to, are called native species. It's kind of like they're the original neighbors on the block. They've been there forever, they know where everything is, and they help keep the whole neighborhood happy and healthy.
But, what happens when new animals or even plants show up in a place where they just don't belong? Well, sometimes they can be like those guests who come over and don't know the house rules, and they can make a real mess. Right, so let's break this down. Your native species, they're the good neighbors, helping everyone out. But these new visitors, we call them invasive species, and they're kind of like party crashers. They can show up and just ruin the whole vibe. They might gobble up all the food, hog all the space, and make life super tough for the animals who were there first. Okay, look at these raccoons. They're actually from North America, but now you can find them in Spain. And yeah, they look pretty cute, but here's the problem. They can carry sicknesses that the animals in Spain have never seen before, so the local animals can get really sick. And get this, it's not just animals. Check out this plant, the Himalayan balsam. This thing is a total space hog. It grows super fast and super tall, and it basically throws a big shadow over everything. The poor little native plants can't get any sunlight, so they can't grow. Not very nice, right? And here's another troublemaker, the Asian hornet. This insect is bad news because it hunts honeybees, and honeybees are so important. They're like little flying superheroes that help our food grow. Seriously, without bees, we'd have a lot less fruit and veggies. So yeah, this hornet is a pretty big problem. So these invasive species are a big deal, for sure. But they're not the only thing our animal friends have to worry about. Let's talk about some of the other dangers our planet is facing. Okay, just imagine for a second. What if someone came and knocked down your house, and your school, and the park you play at? Everything just gone. That's kind of what happens to animals when their homes are destroyed. When forests get cut down, the animals living there lose everything. Their homes, their food, everything. And when an animal's home disappears, or there are just too many dangers, there aren't many of them left. When that happens, we call them an endangered species. That's a really serious word. It means they're in danger of disappearing, like forever. And this is what can happen. This was a real bird called the dodo, but you'll never see one. Why? Because it's extinct. That means there are none left. Not a single one, anywhere on Earth. They're gone, forever. And that's exactly what we need to stop from happening to any other animals. Okay, I know that last part was a little sad, but don't worry because there is good news. And the best part, you get to be the hero in this story. That's right, you have the power to help our planet.
So you're probably thinking, but what can I do? I'm just one kid. Well, let me tell you, you can do so much. Every little thing you do adds up. When millions of kids like you all do something small, it turns into something huge and amazing for the world.
So there are two big things we can do. First, we got to be careful not to help those party crasher plants and animals move into new neighborhoods. Like cleaning your shoes after a hike so you don't carry little seeds somewhere new. And second, we can help protect the homes animals already have, making them safe places where they can live and have families.
Ready to be a planet hero? Here's your mission. You can save water and electricity. You can use less plastic. You can plant some local flowers for the bees. They'll love that. And you can even help clean up a park near your house. See? Easy stuff. And every single one of those things makes a real, honest-to-goodness difference.
Every animal out there, from a big, beautiful sea turtle like this one, all the way down to the tiniest little bug, is counting on us. They're counting on you.
It's our job to be their heroes and protect this amazing planet we all share. So, are you ready to be a hero for the animals? What's the first thing you're going to do?